My name is Bill Leckie. I'm the technical director, and I've been with Precious Plate for 45 plus years. Technical director is responsible for engineering development, customer liaison, and generally the plating processes throughout the plant, development and assurance of quality, and staying up with the times and current developments in the plating industry. We developed and patented a process to plate strip from material for the capacitor industry, the largest capacitor manufacturers in the world. That material is still running today. We've plated enough of that material to go around the earth 7 times, and those capacitors are in everything, and I mean literally everything. Televisions, computers, cars, cell phones, everything. Notable places where those capacitors are is on the space station, and they were on the Mars rover. First and foremost, I am the technical director, but I'm also responsible for all the environmental reporting responsibilities to be compliant with the EPA, Environmental Protection Agency, the DEC, the Department of Environmental Conservation, Niagara County Sewer, the local planning commission, and this year it keeps Precious Plate within compliance of all the regulatory agencies. Whenever customers come in to visit, I'm one of the customer liaisons and the technical voice of the company during meetings, whether it be meetings for a potential opportunity for a customer, an existing customer, a quality issue, which we don't have many of, but they do occur. In the early days when we only had 10 or 15 people, and through the years we have developed to take on standard quality management systems like ISO and IATF and ISO 14001 environmental certification, and all of these organizations mandate that you run your company in a certain way so that you can assure your customer of quality product, on-time product, you meet your environmental requirements. We just had an ISO 14001 audit last week, and we came out of it shining with flying colors. Just an example, I can go back 10 years or 12 years, whenever it was when Scott came, and the first thing he did was he mandated that we develop and install a PLC-controlled wastewater treatment control system. And that system allows us to monitor all of the parameters on the wastewater discharge treatment system. And if any of those critical parameters go out of limits, it will automatically shut the system down and not allow you to discharge any more wastewater. There was a chance or a possibility that we could have discharged non-compliant water in the past. We didn't, but this now assures that we don't. And we've gone the last 10 straight years without a single blemish with Niagara County Sewer District on a metal or a cyanide overage on our wastewater discharge. The approach is just tightening down the way we do everything so that we're doing it the same every day, repeatable, and systematically the same. The certifications are the quality systems that I mentioned. IATF, which is the automotive wing, where you have to meet all of the automotive standards for producing your product. ISO is the standard, the international standard for running your process and running your facility by strict guidelines. And that then transfers down to the ISO 14001, which is a strict management of your environmental impact, your hazardous waste management, your hazardous waste discharge, your reliability, the possibility of being someone who's not a good corporate citizen. I don't know what I would do if I didn't get up every morning and come to Precious Plate.